Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone is not working on your AirPods 3rd generation. Now let's say you just try to talk to somebody else and you put the AirPods in your ear and you start feeling that one of the microphone or maybe both of the microphone is not working while you are on the call. So today's video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem on your AirPods. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Method 1. Turn off headphone accommodation. Launch settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Swipe down and tap on accessibility. Again swipe down and tap on AirPods. Now completely swipe down and tap on audio accessibility settings. Here tap on headphone accommodation and turn off headphone accommodation. Method 2 is select call audio settings. For that, launch settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Swipe down and tap on accessibility. Again swipe down and tap on touch button. Now completely swipe down and tap on call audio routing. Here select automatic or Bluetooth headset. So guys, you can also change this setting during the call. To do this, go to WhatsApp and call someone. After that, if you don't want to use AirPods, you have to select the speaker by clicking on this icon. But if you want to use AirPods, then you have to click on the name of your AirPods. That's it. Guys, like our this short video before leaving and subscribe to our tech channel. Thank you for watching this video.